What's going on, guys? I have some really exciting news for you. So I kind of found myself being the person that I was telling you guys not to. I was like, oh, if I could just get this much more money, I could start my business. Or like, oh, if I could just wait this much longer, I could finally do this, which will let me do that. So today I took the first step in starting my online business. I created an LLC. It was about 300 bucks. I used Inkfile. Ended up being a lot cheaper than LegalZoom though. I did both of them all the way to the end and saw what the final quote was going to be to start it, and Inkfile was about 100 bucks cheaper, so that was awesome. And I also got Jungle Scout, the Chrome extension for Amazon product research. I already found my product that I'm going to sell, which is awesome. I'm waiting for my EIN, and then I'm going to make an Amazon account as soon as I get that. And I've already contacted about 4 suppliers, so I'm stoked. I can't even explain how excited I am. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. And I'm gonna be doing a ton more videos about Amazon FBA, so just hold tight and we'll be starting to sell on Amazon very soon. I will see you guys in the next video.